This is Annette from needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to show you how to finish off the back of a plastic canvas coaster or mug rug. This is a mug rug that I made. I'm going to have a link in the description to the project, so if you wanted to make this mug rug, you could. It goes very quickly, and as you can see, I've finished the back so you don't see the stitching on the back with a piece of felt. So let me show you how to do that. To finish the back of a plastic canvas coaster or mug rug, you will need a ruler, some felt, and some fabric glue. Measure the back of the coaster or mug rug. Then cut a piece of felt exactly to that measurement. Apply the glue to the back of the mug rug, or you could apply it, if you want, directly to the felt, whichever way you prefer. I know it's kind of hard to see. My fabric glue is clear, which I like to use the clear glue. Also put some throughout. I'm going to just squirt some all around. Now take your piece of felt that you cut and apply it to the back. Press it. And then what I like to do is I like to put a couple books on the top of it just to make sure that it adheres or sticks really well. Okay, it's finished. And as you can see, it has a really neat back. And this is the front of my mug rug. Another thing that you can do is you could add cork to the back of it. And I do have a tutorial on that, which I'll have a link in the description and also in the video on how to add a cork backing. I hope you enjoyed learning how to finish off the back of a coaster or mug rug. Please like, share, and comment. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. Help us by sharing our videos in Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other free plastic canvas projects and tutorials. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter, which informs you about our new crafting tutorials.